As I've mentioned, sacred geometry is defined as the study of patterns that create spirit in the world, the Spirit of God. The second part of that is, once you start that study of the patterns, it's a pathway to initiation. Along this path of research of sacred geometry, I came across a little book of coincidence by John Martineau. John Martineau plotted the orbital patterns of planets in our universe. All had sacred geometric patterns. All were verified to be 99% accurate. The kiss of Venus was one such discovery. I thought it was beautiful. The kiss of Venus is important. It's a plot of the planet Venus orbiting Earth. Earth at center with the plus sign. Venus at about 10 o'clock on the face of this drawing. Sun is at 12 o'clock at the top. Venus orbits Earth, creating a 5-petal pattern every 8 Earth years and 13 Venetian years. This number ratio is important. It is the Fibonacci sequence of numbers. We'll cover this more in the golden ratio, the next section, the next chapter. This ratio, the Fibonacci, the phi pattern, is the same growth pattern as the Fibonacci pattern of the plants in nature, the same pattern as our DNA. It's all related. They all resonate together. Everything in the unified field of creation is connected by sacred geometry. This resonance of the phi pattern is important. We'll cover the creation of the phi pattern in the golden ratio, the next chapter on the golden ratio. This phi pattern is what enables us to advance our spiritual consciousness. It gives us spiritual awareness. This is constantly bombarded on Earth from the orbital pattern of Venus on the planet. Another view of this shows the kiss of Venus on the top. Underneath that is the second view showing the pentagonal pattern generated by the kiss of Venus. Someone's going to say, wait a minute, that's the pentagonal pattern of devil worship. Just a minute. I'm going to cover that in the next portion, next chapter on the golden ratio. Not true. True, but not true. What happens is the geometric pattern of this pentagonal shape radiates the resonance of phi on the earth. Again, phi is the geometric pattern of the growth patterns of plants in nature and the resonance of our DNA. It is all connected. The kiss of Venus radiates spiritual energy of phi on earth constantly. This pattern is not one of the Platonic solids. It's known as the star tetrahedron. It's the icosahedron pointed up, being male. It spins clockwise. The downward pointing icosahedron is female. It spins counterclockwise. It is our vehicle of ascension. Becoming aware of this makes it more visible to us. It spins faster. As it spins, it creates what's known as the Merkaba. It's a whole lot of protection around us. Again, this is not a Platonic solid. We have this superimposed over our DNA. Each of us have this. Again, I want to footnote Batholomew-Architect's book, The Ancient Secret of the Flower of Life. He discusses in detail the Merkaba. Very revealing, very interesting. I encourage you to read the book.